It's 8 in the morning. You're pouring your coffee when the coffee starts pouring up and your feet slowly leave the floor. Gravity just switched off for exactly 60 seconds. And the scariest part isn't the floating. It's what happens when it comes back. Second one, you don't shoot into the sky. You simply stop being pulled down. If you were standing still, you just hover. But almost nobody stands still. You walk at 3 miles an hour. And without gravity, every single step becomes a launch. One step, and you're drifting. Cars, bicycles, pigeons, hot dog carts. Everything not bolted down becomes a very confused piece of sky. By second 5, something bigger is happening. Something invisible. The air itself is only held to our planet by gravity. With gravity gone, the atmosphere starts expanding upward, fast. 60 seconds isn't enough to lose it all, but the pressure is dropping. It feels like riding an invisible elevator up a mountain. Your ears pop, then pop again, and the wind collapses into total chaos. Second 15, let's check on the oceans. Spoiler alert, they are not okay. Water only stays down there because gravity insists. Trillions of tons of seawater begin lifting off the seafloor, rising like the biggest lava lamp the universe has ever seen. The fish are fine, actually. As long as they stay inside their giant floating blobs of water, it's business as usual. Rivers stop flowing. Waterfalls freeze in midair, like someone hit pause. Niagara Falls becomes Niagara Floats, and every swimming pool on Earth turns into a wobbling ball of water, hovering over the backyard. Beautiful and completely terrifying. Second 30, halfway there. And now the planet itself is joining the party, because gravity doesn't just hold things on Earth. It holds Earth together. Our planet spins at over 1,000 miles an hour at the equator, and gravity is the seatbelt. Take that seatbelt away, and the ground gets restless. Rock under pressure begins to shift, and tiny cracks spread through the crust. The good news, 60 seconds can't break the planet apart. The bad news, earthquakes ripple across the globe as the ground decompresses. Now look up. See the moon? It's leaving. The moon only orbits us because Earth's gravity keeps it on a leash. No gravity means no leash, so the moon drifts away in a perfectly straight line, like a ball flying off a swing. 1 minute of drifting puts it about 40 miles off course. Even that small nudge could mess with our tides for centuries. Second 45. Quick status check on you. If you grabbed onto something heavy, a lamppost, a door frame, very smart move. If you didn't, you've been rising at walking speed this whole time. That puts you about 150 feet up. That's 15 stories, with no elevator down. Airplanes are fine, though. They never needed gravity's permission to fly. Astronauts on the space station don't even notice. For them, it's Tuesday, and one very happy cat finally reaches the forbidden shelf. Now, remember the scariest part? It's second 59. Everything on Earth is floating. Take a deep breath and hold on. Second 60. Gravity clocks back in, and everything, everywhere, falls at exactly the same time. The oceans slam back into their basins, hurling giant tsunamis at every coastline. The splash is heard around the entire world. The atmosphere squeezes back down and rolls across the planet like a global thunderclap. This is why you grabbed that lamppost. People who held on to something fall a few feet, dust themselves off, and walk away with the greatest story ever told. So, here's your question. If gravity vanished for 1 minute, and you could grab just one thing, what would it be?